Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna show you the simple and the easy way how you can take your photo out of the background. So like how you can separate between the photo and the background in any iPhone, doesn't matter which number is it. So all what you have to do is to go to your photo like this. So you're gonna push the photo with your finger until he will be separated from the background. So in the meantime you can use the other finger you have to go back like this, so then you can leave the photo go. All what you have to do is to go back to the end of the photo like this, then you're gonna find your photo here. Thanks for watching.